Samsung's cooking up something exciting for Q3 2025, and it's not just about foldables this time. The Galaxy Watch 8 series is also getting ready to make its grand entrance. While the foldables have been hogging the spotlight with leaks and rumors, the Watch 8 lineup has been keeping a lower profile until now. We've just spotted some intriguing details buried in the One UI 8 watch firmware, and it looks like Samsung's mixing things up. Remember those earlier leaks about a new squircle design? Yep, that quirky blend of square and circle. Turns out it might not just be an icon design anymore. The watches themselves could be going full squircle. The Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic are rumored to ditch the full circle vibe for something more in line with the Galaxy Watch Ultra's design. Think a more squared body with a still rounded display. It's different, but it might just work. The firmware reveals code names too. Fresh 8 for the standard Watch 8 and Wise 8 for the Classic. While there's no sign of a new Watch Ultra just yet, the current one is still being referenced as Project X2, so it's definitely part of the ecosystem. We also found some fun stuff in the animations, new button shapes, slightly tweaked bezels, and even a new charging animation to add a little flair. The regular Watch 8 sticks to a 2-button setup, while the Classic might get an extra quick button, though it doesn't look like it'll sport the bold orange color seen on the Ultra. Speaking of buttons, fans of the rotating bezel will be happy to hear that the Watch 8 Classic is rumored to bring it back. There's no visual confirmation just yet, but the rumor mill is feeling pretty confident about this one. If true, that's definitely a win for those who love the tactile feel of flipping through menus with a twist. Now, for some real-world proof, the Galaxy Watch 8 has just popped up in the FCC's database. That means we're getting close. The listing confirms model numbers SML335F and SML335U, and reveals support for several LTE bands, Bluetooth 5.3 LE, NFC, and even some upgraded Wi-Fi tech. Oh, and it's keeping compatibility with Samsung's EPOL 300 wireless charger, likely the one you'll get in the box. As for charging, the Watch 8 is stepping things up with 10-watt wireless charging. The battery's getting a small but welcome upgrade too, moving from 400 to 25 mAh in the Watch 7 to 435 mAh. It's not a huge jump, but every little bit helps when you're trying to squeeze out an extra hour of use. One of the more interesting features spotted in the software teardown is something called the Antioxidant Index. Sounds futuristic, right? It could let you measure your beta-carotene levels, basically giving you insight into your body's antioxidant status, just by placing your thumb on the back sensor. This would all show up in the Samsung Health app. According to reports, it might only work on newer watches like the Watch 7, Watch Ultra, or Debut with the Watch 8 series. Also on deck with the new One UI 8 watch software are a bunch of handy features like battery protection mode, a new shortcuts app, randomized watch faces, and support for the new Now Bar interface. Samsung's definitely packing in a lot. So, are you feeling the squircle look or sticking to full circle loyalty? Excited for the return of the rotating bezel, or more hyped about those health tracking upgrades? Let me know what you're looking forward to the most with the Galaxy Watch 8. Big reveals are expected in July, so the wait's almost over. Subscribe our channel for more Galaxy Watch updates. And as always, thanks for hanging out. Catch you next time. Take care.